After you insert other carrier SIM, then shows SIM not supported, means your iPhone was locked to some carrier or network locked. Hi, this is the GSM solution, and today in this video I will guide you how you can fix iPhone SIM not supported or SIM not valid. Make sure that your iPhone was updated to the latest iOS version. iOS must be up to date. How to find the other way your iPhone is carrier locked? Go to Setting, tap on General, tap on About. Scroll down. Here you can see the carrier locked status is SIM locked. After inserting the SIM, hello screen with activation menu. Swipe up, follow the activation screen. Finally, the message on the screen with SIM not supported. Remove unsupported SIM. The process was different like previous. You have to use VPN to activate your iPhone. Now the VPN is connected. Now insert white SIM and follow the activation process. After a few seconds, the activation process was complete. SIM lock free iPhone on your hand. Now insert any desired SIM. No any restriction to use any other carrier. If you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We'll respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you fix your stuff with the help of this video, then drop your feedback. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video. Subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.